This 4-camera Rraycom wireless kit delivers sharp 2K video with a wide viewing angle, so it can comfortably cover several key spots around a home or yard at once. Dual-band wireless support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks makes the cameras noticeably more responsive and reliable than typical single-band battery models. The combination of battery power, fully weather-sealed housings, and simple mounting hardware makes these units practical for flexible placement indoors or outdoors without running cables. Built-in artificial intelligence motion detection, customizable activity zones, and a loud siren with spotlight work together to push timely alerts and actively deter unwanted visitors. Full-color night vision preserves important detail in very low light, and the live view with two-way audio makes it easy to check in on family or talk to visitors from a smartphone or Alexa device. For storage and privacy, the system supports local micro-secure digital cards or short-term cloud backup, with encryption that keeps video access tied to the owner's account.